Hey everyone, today we are back with a really fun preschool drawing lesson, and today we got Georgia again. And Georgia, what are we going to be drawing today?
Tulip.
That's right, we're going to be drawing a really nice tulip because it's springtime and it's our favorite time of the year, so we thought a flower would be a really nice one to draw. And we haven't done a tulip yet, have we? Georgia, are you ready to draw a nice cute tulip for springtime? Let's do high fives. Let's go. All right, you got a pen? Let's do it. Okay, you're gonna follow. I'm gonna show you how to draw a tulip. You did it already, so quick. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do at the top of this part of the page, we're gonna draw the letter U, kind of like a ah.
U means
Ah, that's right. That's it. So can we draw a U here? So we're gonna draw a line that comes down like this. Can you draw a straight line down? Just a little one, just from here down a little bit more. Make it a little bit longer. There we go. Good. And can you draw a curve at the bottom, like that? Kind of like a smile. Very good, to about here. All right, actually, we'll draw it from here. We'll draw from here. Can you draw a line from this point here? It's all right. Yeah, you got it, you got it. And then we're going to draw a line that comes up. So from here, you can go up. That's it. Okay, we can stop there. Good job. And then from this corner, we're going to draw a line that comes down to here. So you can join this part to that part. Join it to there. Good job. Amazing. And then this one, we're going to come down as well, but we're going to stop right here. That's where you're going to stop. Oh, perfect.
Let's just aim it there.
Good job. And then what we're going to do in the middle is we're going to draw a little point in the middle like that.
I don't know how to do points.
You can draw. Okay, you can draw. I'll draw a little spot here for you and you can join the line up to that point. That's it. And then back down. You done it. Good job. And that's yeah, you did amazing. Good job. All right, and that is our tulip, the part of the flower. So we're going to draw a straight line that comes down now to there. And you can stop. Perfect. And then can you draw one on the other side? That's it.
That's quick.
You're so quick. And then what we're going to draw is a little leaf on the side. So watch what I do. I'm going to draw a line that comes up like that. So maybe from here to there. That's okay. And then draw this one coming back down to the bottom. Back down to the bottom. Good job. And now we're gonna.
It's like a bee wing.
It's like a what?
It's a bee wing.
Like a bee wing. Oh yeah, it does look like a bee wing. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a tulip in a pot. So we're gonna draw a straight line right at the bottom of our flower. That's it, right there. And then can you draw a line that comes down? You can have a short line, but you can do your best. Good job. Oh, you just drawn your pot. Okay, good job. Okay, and then I'm just gonna draw mine at the bottom here. Awesome. So maybe you just draw a little bit more straight line here so you know what to color when we color our pot. That's it. Good job. Do you want to color your nice tulip?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I don't color.
We are gonna fast forward through our coloring, but as you can see, a tulip is really fun and easy to draw, and you can color the tulip whatever colors you like. Well, Georgia, we have done some super cute tulips. You've done an amazing tulip, and you colored yours in pink, and I colored mine in
Orange and
Yeah.
orange and yellow.
orange and yellow. Did you have fun? Awesome. I think you've done a great job, and it doesn't matter that they don't look exactly the same. At least we practiced and we had fun, didn't we? High five for fun.
Do you have color pens on you?
Oh my goodness, I got yellow on me, but that's okay.
And green.
We can wash it off later.
I
Thank you.
have some.
Yeah, you've got some too. Thanks for following along. I hope you enjoyed this really nice, easy preschool lesson. Georgia had lots of fun and I had a lot of fun too. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for following. See you later. Bye everyone. Say bye, Georgia.
Bye.
Bye.